In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order groceries from Kroger. We will walk through every step together so you can place a pickup order with confidence, even if this is your very first time using Kroger online. First, open Kroger, go to the Kroger website using your browser, and you should see the familiar red and blue Kroger logo at the top of the page. Sign into your Kroger account using your email and password, then wait for the page to refresh. You will know you are signed in when you see your name or account icon near the upper right corner. If you do not have an account, create an account using your email and a secure password, then confirm any setup prompts until you land back on the main page. Now choose Pickup. Enter your zip code in the box that asks for your location. Then wait a moment while Kroger finds nearby stores. From the list of options, select your Kroger store, ideally the one you visit most often, so prices and stock match what is actually available. Then choose Pickup as your shopping method instead of delivery or shipping. Once Pickup is selected, you will usually see a small label or banner confirming that you are shopping for pickup at your chosen store. With that ready, start to add groceries. Use the search box at the top to search for items like milk, bread, or specific brands. The results page will show product pictures, prices, and sizes so you can compare options. Select products by clicking into an item if you want to see details like ingredients, nutrition facts, or available flavors. When you find the one you want, tap Add to Cart. The cart icon usually updates with a number showing how many items you have added so far. Review your cart by opening it and scanning the list, checking quantities and making sure you did not add duplicates by mistake. Next up, move on to checkout. Open your cart so you can see every item, then look for the button to begin checkout. Select a pickup time from the available time slots and pay attention to the date, especially in the evening when some early slots may already be full. Add payment details such as your card number and billing information, and be sure the name and zip code match your bank. Apply coupons or discounts if you have digital coupons saved to your account, and you will often see the total drop right away. Place your order, then wait for the confirmation screen, which will show your pickup time and an order number. After that, it is time to pick up your order. Drive to your selected Kroger store during your chosen pickup window. Park in the pickup area, usually marked with bright signs and numbered spots. Check in through the app or pickup instructions shown in your order confirmation so the store knows you have arrived. Kroger employees bring your groceries to your car, load them into your trunk or back seat, and then you are ready to head home. You just ordered a full Kroger pickup from start to finish, without ever walking the aisles. If this saved you a trip through the store, give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple walkthroughs like this.